there's a front and back to a front and back to this. So that's the back. See the color? And that's the front. It's much more vibrant, so you can see the difference in color. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and I'm also going to talk about wear and tear of the cashmere scarf that I have. In fact, I've been having some snags, and I'll show you what happened. And it's not full, I mean, as much as these things are, they are not destruction proof. Or is that the word? I don't know what the word is. Anyway, so I went into the Alamoana Hermès store, and as soon as I walked in, I saw a scarf, silk scarf on the wall, and I absolutely fell in love. And I don't fall in love with scarves. I usually don't, but this one just took my breath away. It was white background with beautiful, sort of whimsical design. I forgot the name of this. They didn't have the color that was on the wall to be sold because it was on the wall. They had other color combination of the exact same design. And I saw one. This is one that they showed it to me. They had like 3 different color combinations, color schemes, and this is the one that they showed it to me. And at first, when I looked at it, I thought it was not for me. As pretty as it is sort of creamy color with pink. And as pretty as it is, I didn't think this was for me because I don't wear pastels too often. Oh, and so I said no. And then I put it on me, and I just fell in love with the color. Look at that. And then the SA Anna, she was so kind. She was showing me all different ways to tie this. And one of the things that I usually do is I just go like this. I'll show you quickly. And she said, when you do this, just fold this over multiple times so that it weighs it down and it stays. So this is what I'm gonna wear for Mother's Day tonight. It came with a box, and Anna was so kind to show me all different ways to tie the scarf and things you can do with it. And she, at the end, gave me these cards, how to tie all these scarves. How cool is that? I didn't even know this existed. How wonderful. I can't wait to try all of those out. And the price is $4.35, and the tax in Hawaii is 4.712%. And in Hawaii, if you ask for a bag, they charge you 15 cents. Anyway, if you are interested in the wear and tear problems that I've had with the cashmere scarf, continue watching and I will show you what happened. I don't think there is a way to repair it. If you guys know how to repair this, I would love to know any kind of advice that you have. The wear and tear of my one cashmere silk scarf is here. I don't know how I did it, but I wore this scarf during the flight and it was wonderful. But then, look, see? And I try to fix it by pulling at it and see. I don't know if it could be fixed. Wear and tear I have is in this scarf that I have, which is also cashmere silk. And somehow I pulled it right here. And because of that, this has kind of, see that? Other things are a little bit of pilling, just like here. You can see a little bit of pilling here. Not as bad as a Louis Vuitton scarves. And I think a little bit of fading because I wash it. I've also had the rolled edges unravel, and I sent it into Hermès, and it took months for it to come back. But they fixed it completely good as new. I love the Hermès cashmere scarf because it's light and warm and it feels very luxurious, and I love the colors. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and click the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload more videos. And subscribe. Bye.